droning in here. It's honestly not the worst thing in the world, but it's kind of raspy and shitty. I don't like it. Definitely not it. It sounds like trash. When I bought the car, it came with this catastrophe. Just those damn two, I believe, these are Magnaflows. They sound really nice, but they were just hanging down there, pulling on the H-pipe. No hangers, nothing on it. And then these ghetto ass things just kind of hanging out the back. All booger welded up. So couldn't keep this. Too awful. So got it all unboxed. Car's already lifted up, ready to put this on. I can't hook it up just yet because they took the hangers off of the bottom of the frame. So I'm waiting for those to get here in the mail. But overall, first impressions, the welds look kind of good. I mean, decent welds. They coated them with some sort of paint or something so they don't rust. Decent welds. Pipe thickness is pretty good. It's not some stainless super thin walled crap that I got last time. The mufflers themselves look decent too. The tips look really nice. I can't wait to put these on. They fill the hole in the bumper really, really nice. So can't wait to see these on. Can't wait to put it on, but I'm stuck waiting for the damn mail truck to get here with the hangers. Alright, so the muffler inside, it's got all that baffling and stuff, but it doesn't look like there's any padding behind those little holes. So it's essentially just a straight through design, because you could see the other end over there. You can clearly see the other end. So I don't know. Let's see how it's gonna sound. Hopefully it sounds good. If it sounds like trash, then I'll get these damn mufflers cut off and put my Magnaflows back on. Is that them? Yeah, they're here. Damn, finally. Been waiting here for an hour, Jason. An hour. Alright, let's get it. Hell yeah, we got a part shipment from The Parts Plug. Hell yeah, Mr. Parts Plug. Alright, I gotta say, overall fitment is pretty freaking awesome. Hangers, piping, all the bends, everything is perfect on this thing, and it just looks good. Real good. And it sounds so nice. Not disappointed at all. I think it sounds great, to be honest. Not bad for 400 bucks. Dude, not bad. I'm excited. Time to go for a little cruise.